you ever just look at yourself and think to yourself, like, how can you be so, like, how can you be so cracked? How can you be so bad? Yeah, but if you don't entertain yourself, who will? Who will? Tata cow. Nika cow. I will. Amy's been peggering from 8 months, guys. Imagine. Shame. She can obviously look after herself. She can definitely. Somebody call the father. The father is busy. Ghost child. You just called my child a ghost. You think you're funny. You think you ate. Meantime, the stove was not even on. I saw that comment on Facebook. Now I can't stop saying it. Like, people are getting nar of me. Somebody said, they were like, they said, so somebody made like a hateful comment. I was laughing and I opened the comments and I looked and the person was like, you think you ate? Ish, let me tell you, the stove wasn't even on. Now I can't stop saying that shit. So, okay, yeah, I feel like I've been on this live now for almost 25, almost 35 minutes. Just before I leave, I need to say my page is being rebranded. And I'm very happy by the way it looks now. It looks clean, too nice, too clean. So don't worry. Even if you cry and scream and die and complain, I'm not going to put the old pictures back, guys. They're not nice. They are not me. I don't like them. They were forcefully done. That's number one. Number two, yeah, just stay there. Just stay there. Because imagine it's like you using all the saliva, you're complaining, but I'm not going to change it. Not because I don't respect your opinion, but because I'm very happy. I like my page to look clean. I like how it's looking now. I'm not going to change it. It's going to keep... When I get new pictures, I'm even going to remove the ones in the bottom. Not too many. I think I got like 3 more to move. Just 3 more pictures to remove in the bottom. But the ones that have been coming... Yo, guys, I don't want to tell you. Did you see those the 2 pictures that I took in Durban? You know, I knew I was at home. I knew I was at home because I ate that up. I knew I was at home. Yeah. Now, not that I don't like Joburg now. I just knew I was at home because I was comfortable taking the pictures. Why did you remove Papa van Vergelijken out? Bub, no, she's still eating, guys. She's a big girl. She's very healthy. She likes to eat. Where is Sweet Guluva? He has to work. He has to work. How are we going to eat? Do you think Instagram Lives is going to pay the bills? Makes me very sad sometimes. Thank you so much for loving my page. Barbara. Good. Draw the partition, babe. I'm just feeling like Beyonce in these braids. Take all of me. I just wanna meet the girl you were like. Girl. Ish, the arm is getting very broken now. I think I'm so happy because it's Amy's birthday tomorrow. She can't have a sad mommy.